Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today I want to show you another set of 5 outfits. First up is this sweater from Zara that I really like. It ties in the back with these strings. I really like the sweater. I wear it to death. I paired this sweater with a pair of jeans from Paige. These Paige jeans. I love the color. I've had these jeans for a really long time. I wash them cold and I let them air dry. I want to keep them for as long as possible. I really like the fit. I wore this outfit with a set of boots I got from Aldo. They're pretty old, but I like the brown suede or brown leather. After it gets beaten up a little bit, I like the way that they look with this outfit. Next, I have this sweater from H&M. I really like it. It's so soft and it's so nice in the winter time when it's really cold here. The sleeves are kind of poofy a little bit, and I really like how they look on me. And at the waist, it's really easy to kind of tuck these a little bit. Tuck the sweater a little bit into the pants, which I always like to do. I really like the color. I know it's Pepto-Bismol pink, but I like it a lot. And I paired this sweater with a pair of brown corduroy pants, corduroy jeans from AG jeans. And I really like these corduroys. I've had these again for a really long time. I think I got these at Anthropologie. The legs have this thing here, and they're kind of tapered, so it's really flattering. I wore this outfit with a pair of Chuck Taylors that were leopard print that I got from Net-a-Porter in a big sale. Next up, I have this really chunky oversized sweater. It reminds me of Mondrian, but like a painting from Mondrian, right? It's I got it in a size large. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this. People tell me that I look really cozy and comfortable, which I guess is a compliment. I pair this sweater with leggings, just plain leggings, black or gray. And I really, since it's so big and oversized, I like to wear it with my over-the-knee boots. So I wear it as kind of a dress, a big sweater dress. My next outfit is this sweatshirt that I got at a Tricky concert. It says False Idols here, and it says Tricky along the sleeve. I really like it. It's gray. Gray is a color I like a lot. It's really cozy and it fits really nicely. Yeah, and I like the inside. It's really soft. But again, I wash this cold and I let it air dry because I want to have it for as long as possible. I love this. And I paired this sweatshirt with a pair of ripped jeans that I got from H&M. The jeans came regular, and then I kind of ripped them up myself and cut them up because I thought they were a little boring. This is what they look like. I just randomly sort of tore holes in them and then cut the bottom. I pair these jeans and sweatshirt with my Doc Martens, my patent leather Doc Martens. This is just a black and white striped shirt from H&M. I really like this shirt because of the hem at the bottom. It comes like this. So it hangs really nicely. I really like shirts that are long. And then I can tuck the front in because it's cut here and still have the back hang out. So I really like the way it sits on the body. It fits really well. And it's black and white, so you can always wear a black and white shirt. And it's 100% cotton, so I can pretty much wear it during any season. I paired that black and white shirt with these green jeans that I've shown before. And they have this ripped up hem that I really like. And my gold shoes from Aldo that I'm going to wear until they fall apart.